In this tutorial, we will be learning about how to download and install the SDK. SDK stands for Software Development Kit, and here we will download the iOS Software Development Kit. Obviously, as you know, that for iPhone development, you must have a Mac. If you don't know about Mac and if you're new to this operating system, I will recommend you to go ahead and check our course on fundamental courses about Mac OS X. Here, I assume that you are knowing Mac and you are ready with all the prerequisites we have covered in our previous tutorial. Now, go to Safari, open up developer.apple.com. Here we are. Click on this iOS Dev Center and go to Downloads. Now it will ask you to register and log in. So take some time and register yourself with Apple Developer Program and then go to Downloads. I'm directly going to Downloads. It will ask us for the Apple ID and password. And we're ready with our Downloads web page. I'll uncheck all these and let this iOS be there. And here you'll find Xcode 3.2.5 and iOS SDK 4.2 and download this one, which is Xcode 3.2.5 and iOS SDK 4.2 final.dmg. As you can see, I have already downloaded it and it is actually a very big file, so it will take some time. Let the download completes. I already have downloaded this, so I'll show you. We are at our downloads and this is the current download which is going on. I'll just move to trash. After you complete your download, it will be this file. Double click on that and here you can see the Xcode iPhone SDK installer. Now this is for Snow Leopard. Double click on that and it will open up the installer. Click continue. Read the license if you want to. Agree that. Continue and agree. I'll recommend you to go ahead and read all those licenses. It will ask us which all components we want to be installed. We'll click all of them and click on continue. I'll let it be at the default location and click on install. It will ask you for the authentication. Click on install software. It may take some time and then it will be installed.